Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will do question number 2 and 3 of class 8 exercise 6.4. Question number 2 is find the number of digit in the square root of each of the following numbers. So we have to find the square root of the following numbers, but we want only the 64. 64 is the whose square, that number of digit. It means how many number of digit is here. So we know 64 is the square root of 8 and in the 8 we have 1 digit. So this we are doing with the calculation, but in the bracket they are telling us that you have to do with the without calculation. Okay, so same that we do in the long division method, we pair the digit from ones place. So ones and tens, this is the first pair. Firstly we will apply pair, we will doing the pairing of the numbers. Here we have first pair and this is second pair. In third we have one pair and second pair. In fourth, first pair, second pair, third pair. Here in the fifth, 25, 60 and 39. So here in the 64, how many pair is here? We have one pair. So in this is the square root of the one digit number. Okay, now here how many digit is here? Here we have 1, 4, 4, 3 digit, but how many pair? 1, 2 pair. So 2 digit will come in its square root. Here again how many pair? 2 pair. So 2 digit in its square root. In fourth, 1, 2, 3 pair. So here also 3 digit will come its square root, and last 1, 2, 3, 3 pair, it means 3 digit will come its square root. That we all did without calculation. Okay, now question number 3 is find the square root of the following decimal numbers. It means now they given us the decimal numbers and we have to find the square root of whose this number is here. Okay, so we have 2.56. So I am putting 2.56. So from the previous video, you know we have to do the pairing. Okay, we have to do the pairing from ones place. Okay, so where we have ones place? We have ones place before decimal. Okay, after decimal, this is the 10th, this is the 100th, this kind of places here. We have to go with ones place. Ones place is 2 and in front of 2 we don't have anything. So here I am putting here 0. So same number is there. Okay, so here the first pair and here is the second pair. If we have number like in this way, 2.563. okay, so this time our pair will become first pair. Okay, now this is the ones and tenth. Now after decimal, this is first pair and this is second pair. Okay, this kind of method we have to apply. Firstly we will apply before decimal numbers pairing, then after we will do the pairings of after decimal number. Now we have to see 2 is the square of anything? No, 2 is not the square of anything. So let's check for less than 2. Less than 2, 1 square is 1. So 1 square is 1, that is less than 2. So we are taking 1. Okay, what we are taking? We are taking 1. If 1 is here, so 1 will come here also. Okay, 1 is here, so 1 will also come here. And 1 square is 1. Okay, so after subtraction what we have? 2 minus 1 is 1. And now we are copying the decimal. Okay, so decimal will also come. What we are copying? We are copying after decimal number. That's why we have to put decimal also upside. And 56 will come as it is. Now we want 156. Just neglect this decimal. We want what? We want 156 because we already put on here decimal. So here you know, here we have to put, firstly we have to put double of above number. double of above number. So 2 into 1 is 2. What will come here? 2. Now we want a number here. Now we want a number here such that when we multiply that number by that number, whose ones place we want as a 6. So here we want 6. So in whose square we have 6? In 4 square we have 6 on ones place, and 6 square is having the 6 on the ones place. So one time we will put here 4 and next time we will put here 6. Let's check which condition is correct. So firstly we are checking for 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 1 on the carry, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. It is wrong because we want 156. Now one time we will check for 6. Okay, here is 6 and here is also 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 is here, 3 on the carry. Now 6 2s are 12 and 3 15. Now absolutely 156 is came after putting here what? After putting here 6. If we are putting here 6, then we have to put 6 is also here. And what we taken? We taken 156 and after subtraction nothing will here. Okay, so square root of root of 56 is 1.6. So this is the solution of first of third. Second is 7.29. So same number we will put here 7.29. Again we have to do the pairing from ones place. Here ones place is only 1. So for the pairing we are putting here 0. This is first pair and this is second pair. So firstly we will check for those number whose square is less than or equal to 7. So less than equal to 7 is only 4 and 4 is the square of 2. So here what we are writing here? 2. Okay. Now if we are writing 2 here, so in the answer, this is the answer portion. Okay. So in the answer we have to also put 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now we are taking the numbers after the decimal downside. So here 2 9 will come and 2 9 is after decimal number. That's why here what we have to put? Decimal. Now 2 double will come here. 2 double is 4. Okay. Now we want a number here such that when we multiply this number to this number, their ones place we want as a 9. Okay. So in which condition we have ones place as a 9? In the 3 square and in the 7 square we have ones place as a 9. So we will check for the 7 first. Okay. If it will wrong, so we will check for the 3. So here I am putting here 7. 7 7s are 49, 9 is here, 4 on the carry. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32. So what we want? We want 3 to 9 and we taken 3 to 9. It means it is absolutely right. It means here 7 will come and here also 7 will come. So 47 multiplied by 7, answer is 329. After subtraction nothing will here. So square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Okay. Now same third is here. Third is 5184. Now we have to do the pairing from ones place. Ones place is 1. So this is the first pair. Now this is the second pair. Now we want a number whose square is less than or equal to 51. Less than equal to 51 is 49 because 64 is greater and 49 is the square of 7. Okay, 7 square is 49. So what we are putting here? We are putting here 7. If 7 is here, so 7 will also go there. 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now 51 minus 49 is 2. Okay. Now we are copying the number after decimal. So here also decimal will come. Okay. Now here what will come? Here comes double of 7. Double of 7 is 14. Now we want a number here such that, okay, such that when we put that number here on the ones place and same one number will come in the multiplication, we want the answer ones place is a 4. Okay, so 4 ones place in only 2 cases. Okay, as you can see, 4 ones place only in 2 cases, that is here 4 is the square of 2, and here in the 64 we have 8 square. Here we have 4 on the ones place. So firstly we will check for the 2. If it will become wrong, so we will check for the 8. Here 2, and here is also 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1 is 2. In the first condition we taken right answer, it means 2 will come here. Whatever we are writing here, that thing we have to write here, and its answer is 284. After subtraction, nothing. It means square root of 51.84 is the square root of 7.2. Now fourth question is 42.25. So 42.25. Ones place we have to start. This is the first pair and this is the next pair. Okay. Now we want a number whose square is less than or equal to 42. So less than or equal to 42 is only one number, that is 36, and 36 is the square of 6. So 6 will come here and 6 will also write here. Whatever we are writing here, that number, that same number will go upside. Okay, so 6 square is 36. Okay, so 42 minus 36 is 6. Now we have to copy the number after the decimal. It means 25 we are copying, that are the after decimal number. So we have to also put here decimal. Now here what will come here? Here comes the double of 6. Double of 6 is 12. Most of the students are doing the same mistake, that they are writing here 36 here. Why this is wrong? Because 36 is the square of 6, but we have to write here the double of the number. Okay, so double of the 6 is 12. Now here we want a number such that when we multiply or put that numbers on ones place and multiply by same number, we want ones digit as a 5. So in only one case we have 5 on ones place, that is only 25. None of the value is here whose ones place is 5. So 25 is the square of 5. So what we are putting here? We have to put here 25, 5, 5 both places, because 25 is having the ones place as a 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 on the carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 on the carry. 5 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. 625 is taken. It means what we have to put? 5, and same number will go upside. So 625, and after subtraction nothing will here. So square root of 4225 is 6.5. Now last question of the question number 3 is 31.36. So here 31.36 will come. Now from ones place we have to do the pairing, first pair, second pair. Now we want a number whose square is less than or equal to first number. Okay, ones place we have to see here, first pair we have to see. First pair is 31, so 31 is equal or less than 31, we have to see the square. Here 25 is less than 31 and 25 is the square of 5. So what we have to put? Here we have to put 5, and whatever we are putting here, same number will come here. 5 5s are 25. Okay, now 31 minus 25 is 6, and here we have to write the double of 5, that is 10. Now we are copying the number after decimal. Okay, if by mistake I am putting here decimal, don't get confused. This is the same decimal that we have to put here. Okay, now we want a number whose, when we put that number here and multiply by same number, whose ones digit we want as a 6. So whose ones place is 6 in the square? In the square, ones place of 6 is in the 4 square and is in the 6 square. So one time we can check for the 4 and one time we will check for the 6. So 4. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 1 on the carry. 4 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 1 is 4. This is wrong because 460 we don't want. Now we will check for which number? We will check for the 6. If here is 6, so let's see. 6 6 are 36. 3 on the carry. 6 zeros is 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 1 is 6. This is absolutely right. So in which case we want right answer? 636 is came after putting here 6. So here we have to put 6. So what we put here? 6. Same number will we have to put here. Now 106 will multiply by 6 is answer is 636. After subtraction nothing will remain here. So square root of 3.36 is 5.6. So here we completed question number 3.